Hey guys, Crypto Will here. Today, I want to bring you some news that could potentially be, life-changing if you're on BitMEX. So let's get right into it. BitMEX has updated their terms of service and privacy notice. On March 6th, which is in just, a few weeks? Yeah, a little over a week. For the purpose of enhancing the scope of reliability, introduce updates to the terms of services. Alright, a modification of access conditions for using a trading platform, including a prohibition on access for certain restricted jurisdictions and restrictions on your activities on the trading platform. Then I have all these modifications. You can pause the video and read the rest of this. But it basically says, hey, they could prohibit access from banned jurisdictions like, let's say, the U.S., because U.S. people technically are not supposed to be on there, but everyone uses VPNs. Also, Canada. I believe Canada, no, it's either Canada or China that's the one that's not allowed on BitMEX. But one of those, but everyone's using VPN. So what does this mean? This could mean that they're adding new countries that are restricted. Maybe like they've had some problems in like Russia or Spain or something, and they're adding them, and nothing's really changed. You can still use VPN. Or this means they could be implementing KYC or some version of KYC. We've seen it happen before. EXP Asset, in order to stick with the regulations that were or could be imposed upon them, they introduced KYC as a prerequisite to withdraw from the platform. So we've seen it. We've seen KYC before, but that was kind of like KFC. If you're on Coinbase, if you've been buying Bitcoin through Coinbase, you know that they do heavy KYC, as well as Gemini and a bunch of the other exchanges. They all do some version of KYC. Could be that they're trying to implement KYC and just get all the people who are in the U.S. and China or Canada, whoever's banned. I think it's China. I think I've been able to, or people have been able to get out using Canadian VPNs. So, what could this mean? It could mean that soon, probably not immediately, they'll start slowly rolling out KYC. And they'll send a message to you saying, hey, if you want to continue using this platform, you need to register with KYC. If you don't register, you have, a week, 2 weeks to withdraw all your money before withdrawals are banned for you until you do KYC. Sort of what EXP Asset did. So, I don't know, guys. This could be nothing. This could be everything. Because we know that BitMEX has been under a lot of scrutiny, especially for their alleged price manipulation. They've been in the news for some not good things, for some shady things, and so this might be their way of trying to be legitimate. So watch out, guys. Just be careful and, look into some other trading platforms as well. Some of the BitMEX competitors, maybe like Voyager, and I don't remember what the other one that NYC Crypto Plug was promoting. I keep forgetting the name of it, but you may want to look into some other exchanges that trade using leverage. So that's that. I just wanted to bring this to you. Be careful, people. Remember our old friend Ace Wins? Haven't really heard from him for a while. Yeah, apparently I've been checked in a while, to be honest, but he's been doing some stuff. Apparently there are these matrix plans here. Ace Wins 250. Cost is 250 USD. Duration of a lifetime. Basically, this is like EXP Asset. You put in $250, you get 10% on direct referrals and 2% upon the next 8 levels down. And so, commission after full matrix, 147,000 USD. So I guess that's after you fill out your matrix. Commission for other transactions, 5%. I guess that's for the games. Ace tokens to social roulette, 250 Ace. I guess that's how much it takes to be in social roulette. So the first level of downline, you have 3 people commissioned to get 75 USD, and it continues from there. First level, second level, and let's see if I can bring this up a little bit bigger. Nope, it just goes back to the top of the page. This page is not optimized well for usage. But there's also a 500 level matrix and a 700 level matrix. So if you get in this and you start really promoting it, you put in $700 and you get in three direct people, you get a commission of $378. If you go ham after you put in the 700 and get in 243 people, you get $8,000 commission. If you somehow get 19,000 people in, you get $688,000. $688,000. So they're really trying to promote this out. They're really trying to get people back into it. Automatic random spillover system is it's first of its kind, a unique system. Ace. Have you never heard of EXP Asset? I'm sure you have, which is why you thought of this whole plan. But without our system, chances are more for you to get with our system, chances are more for you to get your direct and next level, blah, blah. You need to do our system first to get automatic referrals. So they just want you to get people into this. Okay. You can read all this yourself, but they're just saying you can get passive income. And they're going heavy on this casino. By investing in the Ace Wins Casino, your passive income possibilities. Daily dividends, 0.5 to 1% of your investment in USD converted to BTC, until you get 150% of your actual investment. You get 8% of your direct referrals casino investment in BTC. So I guess this could be big if the people if you get into this, really go ham on a casino. To begin with, some of your crypto gambling friends, you can get people in and make a lot of money. Affiliates, these are direct affiliates. You have to purchase the Matrix plan. Look, this is all just an Ace Wins version of EXP Asset. It's not bad. I'm just disappointed that I haven't heard from Ace Wins a lot. I've asked them repeatedly about an exchange, and any news of an exchange has just gone from the roadmap. So I don't know what's up with that. Look, I'm just telling you how it is. Clearly, he seems like he's going to be doing something like a crash game, high-low dice, poker, American roulette. He could have ran away with the money all this time, but the website's still doing things, and I've still got tokens in this thing. Yeah, 1,600 tokens, which are worthless because there's no exchange, at least not that I know of. If someone knows of an exchange that Ace Wins has created, let me know, and I will do a video saying, hey, here's the exchange. You can go sell your tokens. But, I don't know. I don't really know what to make of this. It could be big, but there's very few people actually promoting this. Actually, let's go check YouTube to make sure. Boom. Ace 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago. I thought 3 days ago, BitSway. Okay. Yeah. Alright, he did an interview. So, passive income. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh no, this is an old video. 21 how to play social roulette on Ace Wins. A lot of it's from Ace Wins. But it's not a whole lot of people promoting this. Like BitSway and Ace themselves, but there's not a lot of huge YouTube support. Let's actually check recently. See if there's anything here. Upload date. Ace Wins again. I play Ace Wins. Like, no one's really promoting this, so I don't know. Could they do something? Possibly. Where's the exchange? Who knows? All this stuff is pointless without a way to sell it. Like I said, if there is an exchange somewhere, you let me know, and I'll show you it. I'll probably buy and sell some tokens just to see if it works. Because I'm in this, and this is still around, so this could still be big. I mean, they say here, Ace token holders, this is new, will also get dividends and ETH for the casino's net revenue. Cool. But, I don't know, guys. We haven't checked the market cap in a while. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've had a bunch of life stuff to do. I've taken on a new project in real life that has nothing to do with crypto. And I haven't really been trading because I'm not a huge trader. I'm really not. Trading, you gotta be there in front of it. you gotta know what you're doing. You gotta handle the ups and the downs, and it's a lot. It's very emotional. I just want a strategy I can do 100%, but it doesn't really exist. And so, I'm surprised these markets are down today because the rest of the markets rose, like the Dow and the traditional markets, because of the trade deal that Trump's doing with China. The rest of the markets rose, but crypto didn't rise really today. Let's check today. I know I'm all over the place, guys. I'm a little tired. Haven't done this in a little bit. Okay, it's been steady. It's been a week. Oh Jesus! It rose up, then it just fell. See, stuff like this. You have to be an expert at the charts to see this stuff coming. Like, this was a day. This was a several $100 drop. Like, I'm not trading stuff like this. It's always this sort of nonsense that gets me out of the trade. It's never these little moves, or even something like this. It's always some huge downward move. I wasn't in a trade today, but like this crap that just drops like a rock, it always gets me out, even on low leverage. And trading's really annoying. And once again, we have a winner. Tron again. Tron's been a sleeper. Yeah, it's dropped like everything else, but it stayed steady at 2 cents. I'm not telling you to go run out and buy it. I don't say stuff like that. But in the past, let's have fun. Let's go for a month. It stayed steady. 2 cent, 2 cent, 2 cent. It dropped. It just stayed steady within the 2 cent range. In a week, the 2 cent, it had some pretty big drops even in relation to Tron. But it's 2 cent. So if it goes up to 3 cent, you 50% at your money. You 1.5 your money. And if it goes to 4 cent, you doubled your money. Tron's a nice hold for now because the developers really try to do stuff. And so I don't like some of the Tron dApps. Like I said this a while ago, but I might get into 888 Tron or something like that, but I don't know. Like, crypto's not too interesting now, but I really wanted to bring you those news updates. I still do live streams almost every week with the guys. NYC Crypto Plug, Sherlock Holmes of Crypto, Angry Crypto when he comes on. I really hope we can get him on this week. Like, if you're listening to this, Angry Crypto guy, please be on a live stream tomorrow at 7. Please. We use your perspective. When you come back, I hope that you come back and say, like, guys, I've uncovered this secret of Bitcoin, even in down markets. So you share it with us, and we all make a ton of money and give a lot of value to our subscribers. But, we just got a live stream tomorrow, so. Yeah, this is just a nice little market update. I know y'all haven't heard from me in a while, and I wanted to make a video. And so, this whole thing is just it's gonna be so different pretty soon. And regulations coming down the pipeline. I might do another video on that in a few days, but if you watched our last live stream with the guys last Wednesday on NYC Crypto Plug's channel, I talk about regulations and how it's imminent at this point. So watch out, secure your crypto. Go get as much money as you can. So anyway, guys, this is Crypto Will. I'm out. Have a good day.